how to tag everyone in a Facebook group. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can tag everyone in a Facebook group, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Let's say that you are a member of a certain group over here, right? And let's say that you want to go ahead and then basically just tag everybody that are a member of those groups. So you basically just come to this groups tab and then you select a certain group, let's say. Now if you want to actually go ahead and then tag everybody, there's a very simple thing that you can do. Inside that group, whenever you're writing something, you can just type in @ and type in everyone. So when you type in @everyone, what happens over here is that everyone over here on this group is actually going to get tagged. Now you should be very mindful of this permission, because people are going to get annoyed if you tag them without any reason whatsoever. So just keep that in mind, and you can put @everyone in a caption or in the comment, wherever else it is, to go ahead and then basically tag everybody. So hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.